Salam alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Leo's Chronicles, where narratives roar to life. What's up, folks? Today we've got some exciting updates on the Alparslan Buyuk Selçuklu and Selahaddin Ayyubi series. Stick around because you won't want to miss these latest developments. So let's kick things off with the Alparslan series. Many of you have been wondering why episodes 60 and 61 haven't aired yet, especially as September is coming to a close and there's still no sign of the episode 60 promo. This delay has put the producer, Emre Konuk, in the spotlight, and fans have been asking why the promo hasn't dropped yet, despite the early September announcement. Well, it looks like we've got answers. To understand this delay, we need to go back a bit. The final episode of the second season of the Alparslan series concluded 3 months ago on June 13th. Since then, Emre Konuk, the producer, has been occupied with his upcoming series, Selahaddin Ayyubi. Little did Emre Konuk know that Barış Arduç, the actor who played the lead role of Alparslan, had decided to leave the series. Efforts were made to persuade Barış to continue the third season, even involving Arab countries and Azerbaijan, but Barış stood firm in his decision. Originally, the plan was for the second season to consist of a total of 61 episodes, with the third season starting at episode 62. However, due to Barış's sudden decision to leave the series, the second season had to conclude prematurely at episode 59. The production team decided that the remaining episodes of the series would be incorporated into the third season. As a result, the third season will now comprise only 2 episodes. It is likely that these final 2 episodes of Alparslan Buyuk Selçuklu will be presented in a cinematic format to wrap up the storyline of the entire third season. After the conclusion of the second season of Alparslan, producer Emre Konuk began searching for an actor to portray the leading role of Selahaddin in the series Selahaddin Ayyubi. Talks were initiated with the actor Ibrahim Jellicoe. Surprisingly, discussions with actor Ibrahim Jellicoe continued for a full 2 months. However, Jellicoe did not agree, and the pivotal character of Selahaddin Ayyubi ultimately went to actor Eyyubi. Since the storyline of the third season of Alparslan will be concluded in these final 2 episodes, there were some remaining scenes to be filmed. As a result, new actors were brought in to complete these scenes. Additionally, there's the post-production work like editing, which also takes some time. However, it's worth noting that producer Emre Konuk aims to conclude the series by referencing the era of Selahaddin Ayyubi in the final 61st episode of Alparslan. It's essential to clarify that historically, Alparslan has no direct connection to the Eyyubi dynasty, which you can verify through a Google search. In fact, the Eyyubi Empire emerged much later in history. So it remains a curiosity how the producer, Emre Konuk, will conclude the Alparslan series by alluding to the Eyyubi Empire. It's certainly something to look forward to. The reason for providing all these details is that Emre Konuk is, in fact, delaying the broadcast of the last 2 episodes of the Alparslan series due to his focus on the Selahaddin Ayyubi series. This delay is attributed to the need to cast additional actors for the Ayyubi series, and also due to Emre Konuk's own Umrah pilgrimage. Originally, these final 2 episodes were scheduled to air in September, but due to the Ayyubi series, there has been a delay. For those eagerly waiting, it's expected that the promo for episode 60 will be released in the last week of September or the first week of October. Episode 60 is rumored to air on October 9th, with episode 61 following on October 16th. Regarding updates on the Selahaddin Ayyubi series, filming has commenced and notable actors have been cast. However, no information has been disclosed regarding the Pakistani actors who have been selected for roles in the series. So mark your calendars because the first episode of Selahaddin Ayyubi is set to air on October 23rd. That wraps up our updates for today. I hope you found these insights into the Alparslan and Selahaddin Ayyubi series intriguing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay tuned for more exciting news from the world of Turkish series. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in the next video.